Hi, my name is Branko Stipanovic. I'm art antique restorer and artist too, working with many different materials. Today I work on the ritual mask Aztec and other tribes in America. It is actually nice story about ugly looking god who decided to sacrifice himself, jumping in the fire, burning himself and becoming a son for the people. I found for me inspiring a nice turquoise, bluish, greenish stone what the tribes are using for different kind of artworks, jewelry and mask. It's a nice challenge for me to cut that, shape the pieces. As you can see, shape of the face is asking me to cut small pieces, different angles. Actually the biggest help I have is actually this small machine. Is cutting and actually grounding in a way I need, and then I have actually this machine what I use for the sanding, fine shaping of the tiles. Altogether work is dirty and dusty, but is inspiring and looking for probably very good results. Again, this mask is in the London Museum, 14th century, and as a nice challenge for me. Actually, that's I decided to work on this. There are two materials. What I'm using is actually mother shell pearl. Materials like this to cut out eyes and tits. I did it already. You see, they are slightly different what is in original existing, and is coming here in the place, and is coming here. Look as looking pretty nice and good. Then same material what I cut it for the tits, see, and it's going to be quite a nice replica. I will call that artistic replica. I did most of the works and I have just the other side to put the tiles, as you see. This is a work in the progress. Is quite demanding, you know. Is not just art and enjoyment. You need some physical challenges and doing operation with the small pieces of very hard Turkish stone. Well, this work is in the progress. Next one video will be when I'm finished and applying grout, what originally was pine resin, even used as a glue originally on the mask. And then hopefully the mask will be finished and my actually buyer and collector will be happy with us. Thank you very much for following me. I hope you found something what will help you in your work. All the best in your projects. I'm Branko Stipanovic, art antique restorer and artist. And this is the 14th century tribal mask Aztecs and many other tribes in America. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.